So finally, Microsoft has launched Windows 11 version 25H2 for everyone in the Insider program. This update is officially scheduled for general rollout in the fourth quarter of 2025, most likely in October. But if you want early access and a chance to explore what's new before the public release, you can join the Insider Preview. In today's video, I'll walk you through the entire process of how to join the Insider program and get Windows 11 25H2 ahead of time. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what the Insider program is and what you should know before signing up. There are 4 channels in the Insider program. The Release Preview channel is the safest. It includes features that are nearly complete and generally stable. The Beta channel gives you early access to updates that are close to final, but may still have minor bugs. The Dev channel is for testing experimental features. It's less stable and more cutting edge. And then there's the Canary channel, which is raw and risky. It gets daily updates with deep system changes and no guarantees. For most users, the Release Preview channel is recommended for a stable experience. Now, one important thing to keep in mind. If you join the Insider program and later want to return to the stable version of Windows, you'll need to perform a clean install. That means all your data will be erased. So before you start, make sure to back up your files. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then head to Windows Update and install any pending updates. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. Once your system is up to date, click on Windows Insider Program and select Get Started. Link your Microsoft account, then hit Continue. Now you'll be asked to choose an Insider channel. For a smoother experience, I recommend selecting Release Preview. Next, you'll see Microsoft's Terms and Conditions. Click Continue and restart your system. After restarting, go back to the Insider Program settings. Open Diagnostics, Feedback, and enable the option to send required diagnostic data. You can also delete your diagnostic data before leaving the Insider program if you want. Once everything is set, you'll see a green checkmark confirming your system is ready for updates. You'll also find an option to stop getting preview builds if you ever want to opt out. Now go to the Update section and enable. Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Click Check for updates. You'll receive a small update first. Once that's done, you'll see the Windows 11 25H2 update available. Click Download and install. After installation, restart your system. And there you go. Your PC will now be running Windows 11 version 25H2. You can start exploring the latest features before the global release. That's it for today's video. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.